In this video, we'll show you how to migrate Proton Mail in 2026 without losing a single message, contact, or import piece of data. So if you've been using Gmail, Outlook, Yahoo Mail, or another email provider for years, switching can seem overwhelming. Fortunately, Proton has tools that make the process much easier. The easiest method is the Proton Easy Switch. So on your dashboard, click this All Settings, and now select this Import via Easy Switch. From here, you can now choose your current email provider. You can choose Google, Yahoo, or Outlook to authorize the migration. Next, select what you'd like to import depending on your provider. You can transfer your emails, contact, and even your calendar. And once you confirm it, Proton will begin importing your data in the background, so you can continue using your computer while the migration completes. So if you have a large mailbox, don't worry if the process takes some time. The transfer speed depends on the size of your inbox and the number of items being imported. Here's one mistake to avoid. Don't close your old email account immediately. Keep it active for a few weeks while you verify that all your important details or emails, contacts, and calendar events have successfully transferred. During this period, you can also update your email address on banking apps, shopping websites, social media accounts, and other important services. If you're not ready to switch completely, you can even use both email accounts side by side while gradually moving your online accounts to Proton Mail. So by taking your time and using Proton's migration tools, you can move to a more privacy-focused email service without losing valuable messages or interrupting your daily workflow. And that's how you migrate to Proton Mail in 2026 and import everything without losing a message. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.